Good morning, everyone, and today we're going to prepare an easy breakfast meal, which we call the greaseless fried spam and greaseless sunny side up egg and a toast using only one cookware, and that is this square griddle. And I'm going to use the cover of 1/4 pan for frying the egg. So our first step is we're going to preheat the pan on a medium fire in 5 minutes only. So welcome to our amazing LutuAN. First step is we crack the egg. We'll put the egg first. Put some salt. Cover the egg. Then add the spam. Greaseless po ito. Garnish it. Second spam. No oil. Wow! Sa Saladmaster, no oil, kaya it's healthy. Then add a toast of the sliced bread. Ito yung ito-toast mo na sliced bread. That's it. Let's uncover the egg now. Ooh! Yummy! Luto na po agad yung itlog. So as you can see, nag-release po ng oil yung spam. So you don't need to put an oil anymore. No more cooking oil. You don't need an oven toaster kasi we can toast the bread straight from the square griddle. And then the egg is there. Diba, napaka-easy lang. Mga beshies. Ito na ngayon ang way of cooking natin pag breakfast. Healthy na pag Saladmaster. O, diba? So, I flipped the toast, the bread toast, and then nag-add ako ng ube cheese pandesal. Doon ko nilang painitin. I flipped the spam. So, isang cookware lang ho yung gamit ko. Pero, 3 klase yung nailuto ko. The best talaga pag may Saladmaster. The best breakfast ever. Healthy talaga kasi no oil. Nire-release pa yung sariling oil yung niluluto mo. Ayan mga besh, ready na ang ating breakfast. Super healthy kasi it's greaseless fried sunny side up egg, spam na greaseless din ang pagka-fry, and our bread toast just by using one cookware, and that's the Saladmaster square griddle. Wow! Are you ready to eat? Sobrang yummy! So guys, if you enjoyed the video, just don't forget to please click the like button and share the video and not the virus. Don't forget to subscribe amazing LutuAN YouTube channel. Thank you everyone and God bless. Bye!
Sweet.